can't scratch. I'm missing a piece that completes a whole part of me, an open wound scar to see.
Hey gearheads, looking for a powerful cruiser with a sporty edge?
Hell's wrong with me. I don't get along with anybody.
Check out the all-new 2024 Indian Sport Chief. Packing a punch with the Thunderstroke 116 engine, it delivers a whopping 120 ft-lbs of torque for thrilling rides. But it's not just about muscle. The Sport Chief boasts a comfortable 27-inch seat height and KYB suspension for smooth handling. Braking is confident with dual Brembo registered front brakes and a single rear disc. Ready to personalize your ride? Choose from 5 stunning colors: black smoke, ghost white metallic smoke, granite gray, sunset red smoke, and the premium Smoky Quartz Metallic Pearl.
I just wanna find a way out, sick of the venom in my brain. Running from the past, wanna escape my pain. I just wanna be a better person, I deserve this, I just wanna break these chains.
Prices start at $19,999 USD, making the Sport Chief a compelling option for style-conscious riders.
One started the outlaws for profit. All I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in.
So, what are you waiting for? Head over to your local Indian motorcycle dealer and experience the Sport Chief for yourself. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more motorcycle content.